So we're in a Fiat 595 Abarth. It's a particular video I've not actually done, even though we've done quite a few of these, which is actually upgrading the very small interface that's in these Fiat 500s. So this particular one obviously came in, didn't even have a reversing camera, so we suggested to the customer that we put a nice Kenwood double din in here. So we've upgraded the full fascia area. As you can see now, it's quite a dramatic sort of change in here. Obviously everything's full touchscreen. It'll work obviously all on the steering controls as well, and we've also included a integrated rear camera, which you can see that, which is lovely, nice and crisp. So yes, if you've got a Fiat 500 and you're very underwhelmed with the infotainment system, then we can bring you into the modern age with full wireless CarPlay, wireless Android, obviously full DAB radio in here. We can also upgrade the speakers as well to complement this if you wanted at the same time. But yes, if you'd like to have this upgrade in your Fiat 595 500 Abarth, then please get in touch here at TTW.